Life is passing by, and are you just standing there waiting for something to happen? Or are you actually doing something? Do you feel like opportunities are slipping through your fingers? Does everything seem hard? This is where the key to everything changes. Let's go. What makes you freeze? Fear, right? Fear of failure, fear of messing up. But let me tell you something. The biggest trap is the fear of doing something wrong, because it paralyzes you. It stops you from acting. And the worst part of it? You don't try. You don't experience it. The solution? Act anyway. That is what separates those who win from those who get left behind. Courage. Remember, courage isn't the absence of fear, but acting even when you are afraid. How many times have you told yourself you were going to change? And here you are. Nothing changed. How many broken promises? The problem is a lack of discipline. It's no use wanting results if the foundation isn't solid. Start with a simple step. Clean your room. Organize your desk. It seems small, but organization brings clarity. That is scientifically proven. Why? In the end, the chaos in your environment is a reflection of the chaos in your mind. And what about procrastination? Who hasn't left something for tomorrow? Nah, I'll wash these dishes later, or something like that. Then tomorrow turns into next week, the week turns into a month, time flies by, and you do nothing. Absolutely nothing. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The moment is now. If you don't start acting now, it's going to be the same cycle, always. And guess what? You'll look back and realize you've wasted even more time. And the fear of what others will think. How many times did you not do something just because you thought they were going to judge you? But honestly, who cares? People talk, but they're not the ones living your life. If you focus on you, go after what makes you feel good. The rest is just noise. Your opinion is the only one that matters. Look, and here is the golden nugget. It all comes down to taking action, to having the attitude to do things, even if it's a small step, but take that step now. The magic happens when you start acting and realize there is no savior coming to rescue you. Only you can change your life. But wait a second, because the game is about to get even more interesting. Did you know there's a fatal mistake that everyone makes, which stops you from really taking off in life? This mistake is more common than you think, and it's what leaves you right back at square one no matter how hard you try. And try. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to fix this mistake and how you can go from simple attempts to real, concrete results. Don't miss it, because it's going to change your perspective on how you're dealing with your life, your goals, with everything. It will be the difference between winning or staying stuck. Click on the next video. See you there. Yeah!